Hey everybody, it's Gene here.
Say it again. Now, say it.
I already said it once.
Hey everybody, good morning, it's Jean here. We are just got back from Maxwell's appointment down at St. Christopher's Hospital. We're back on our home turf, but it took us this morning
2 hours.
2 hours to do a 45-minute drive. Oh my word.
2 hours is from where? What state can we go to for 2 hours?
Yeah, we could have gone to another state, and that was just down into Philadelphia. The traffic was horrendous, but we met. If you're just tuning in, Maxwell's neurologist had been tragically killed in a plane crash, and he's been seeing her since he was 4. We met a very nice guy. He was what? He was like a student. He was more of a student who took all of our information, all of Maxwell's medical history.
Yes. Did this examination.
What was the examination? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the typical doctors.
The typical doctors, well, for neurology.
Yeah, for the neurology department.
Right, to see if your eyes are, I don't know, crossed or whatever, like doing this to your nose and your reflex. You nearly pushed the guy over. he was skinny as anything.
I could have, if I actually pushed hard enough, I would have knocked him over.
You would have done. You know that whole thing, like push against me? The poor guy nearly went flying across the room. Anyway, Maxwell's strong.
No, not. That would be Superman strength, so I could fly across the room.
I know, but you were very strong. He could tell. He could tell. So it went very well. We don't have to go for another
6 months.
6 months. We got all of the.
No,
I'm not showing them your information. We got all of the information though for school, for his schooling, that his schooling had required at the IEP. So that was that. We are now at. We were so desperately hungry. We just popped into Taco Bell. And the bank. Maxwell did me a favor.
I actually got it right this time.
You did.
For once.
No, you get things right. I asked Maxwell
yum, when it comes to yum yums.
Oh yeah. We have a fabulous donut place called Yum Yums. It is the best donuts, and all I want is a.
And yes, I'm drinking my Baja Blast Mountain Dew.
Yes, all I want is what? What is my favorite donut?
What is it?
No, how many times do I have to tell you? A white powdered sugar.
Powdered.
White cream-filled donut. I think I even wrote it down and you got it wrong. It came out with like a pumpkin spice cruller or something. Anyway, he went to the bank. No, you went to the bank.
Yes, I went to the bank.
With a $100 bill to get me what?
51s, 6.5s, 2.10s.
Right, because we are having a craft show.
You're having a craft show.
No. Maxwell doesn't want to go with me. No. Why? You went with me the last time. Or will you? You will, please. Can you just help me set up the tables? It's a craft show at a local school, and I'm going to sell my crossbody bags and some of my
some of them. I judged one of your things you made.
What did you judge it?
Remember the one thing?
I don't remember.
It looked like a triangle thing. It's as if,
I made it. No, I think they would have liked that.
No,
And you thought it was stupid. I made this little craft show stuff. I don't know, like a little key bag, like a little keychain with a triangular pouch with a little zipper. I thought it was really nice. And Maxwell goes, "Don't sell that. That's really stupid."
Well, it was.
It wasn't.
Yes, it was.
You weren't my fan that day. Anyway, it all went well. We're going to the craft show on Saturday. He got me change. That's all. I sent him to the bank. You were very responsible. You came out. He got me the money. We're tired, but we're going to go home and pack some more boxes. I'm packing up my sewing room. to a certain extent. We got all of the same boxes that I got at Walmart. $1.28 a box. It's not too bad. I probably will need maybe 40 or 50 boxes, but we want to keep all my boxes uniform. So that's that. The doctor's appointment went well. Anything else you have to say?
Nothing else, but hey, remember that time I got that pizza?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was another story. That's for another day.
No, since I mentioned it, they would want
well,
to
then
hear about it.
You tell the story. No, you tell the story.
No, you make it more funny.
No, you tell the story.
No, you tell the story.
We were hungry one day, and Maxwell said, "Oh, that's a nice." I won't say who it is because that's not nice. It was a local pizza place that we've never really been to. Have you ever been to it?
No.
No. And I always get the same thing. I got a mushroom cheesesteak with sauce and fried onions. Delicious. Maxwell said, "I want a pizza." And he got one, and it was quite...
It was okay.
Right. So then he was very hungry because he's a growing boy. He says, can I get another piece of pizza? So I said, okay. Well, putting it nicely,
nicely, if the restaurant's actually watching this...
I didn't mention the restaurant's name.
Okay.
Well, I didn't no. Because maybe they were having an off day.
Because pretty much simple words, vomit on
dough.
Pizza dough.
Oh, it's terrible. He comes back with this thing, this mess. Even Maxwell couldn't. I said, whatever is that?
I tried to take a bite of it, but I just couldn't.
It was disgusting. What was it? What was it supposed to be?
It was pretty much, in simple terms, your fries put on pizza with cheese.
That's right.
Cheese fries.
A cheese fries pizza slice. Oh, it's terrible.
Hey, if you like that sort of pizza, I go ahead, eat it, but not my cup of tea.
It really wasn't his cup of tea. It was disgusting. Anyway, we're waffling on, as we do.
Still drinking my Mountain Dew.
Still drinking his Mountain Dew. Be careful with that.
Not gonna have kids.
You're not gonna have children. Because why?
Drinking Mountain Dew.
What does Mountain Dew do to have children?
Kills them. No, kills the... Never, not gonna go too into detail.
Oh, it kills sperm.
What? No! I told you not to say that!
But you said it! Did you know that Mountain... Anyway, it's nothing to do with you. Did you know Mountain Dew scientifically kills sperm? I didn't know that. So there are enough Trueloves. You don't have to have any more.
Don't get me started. There's way too many of us.
Oh, there's not too many. He is the best uncle, but he has all these little kids.
Sometimes I just say, "Go away, kids."
Yeah, it's a bit much.
When I tell them to go away, more come in.
More come. All of our grandchildren love Uncle Maxwell.
The one time, the basement, I didn't have my rigs well, I had one, but we had it where the red couch, what we don't have anymore,
right,
was on that side.
I got it.
Of the wall. I had the couch, my computer set up right there,
and your rig,
and my rig right there.
Yes.
So pretty much there was an area in the middle. I made space somehow for it. I tried to go to sleep. All of them jumped on me.
Oh, he's such a good uncle.
For a whopping 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all my reaction was, "Ugh! Get off me, kids!"
Yeah, sometimes it's a bit overwhelming.
And now when I need a nap, I say, I need a nap, go away. And they will, the older ones will go away. But not the little ones.
Because they love you. They jump all over you. Oh, and he's so tolerant. He's such a good boy.
I'm tolerant to an extent.
Yes, to an extent. And then as anybody would.
Yes, and remember that one time you were at the top of the stairs and you saw me like yelling at the kids?
Oh, I did, yeah.
Like I heard you yelling. It takes a lot for me to get angry at kids.
I said, okay, enough, guys. Maxwell's had it, because he has the patience of a saint. I'm telling you, Maxwell is very, very patient.
I've a patient of a saint. If they start doing something, one, I have this display case. I like Hot Wheels cars.
Yeah.
And someone, not gonna name names.
Yeah.
Luckily, I took a picture of the actual truck itself.
The way it was.
It was before. They knocked the whole thing down.
Yeah.
That particular person. I got
that particular nephew.
Yes, or niece.
Or niece.
More nephew.
No, more nephew, more niece. We won't name names. They're little babies.
But I grabbed his arm.
Yeah.
Like.
He was upset.
I say, don't do that, and you're gonna put it back.
Yeah. Okay.
So he put it back.
Yes.
Then ran away.
Yeah.
Yeah. I helped him.
Yes.
You're gonna. So he helped me put it away.
Yeah.
I said, go upstairs now.
Yeah, and I said I was getting the feeling like, okay, I think Maxwell's done with all you kids. All the little kids get up here. Because when Maxwell's done, he's so good. He's so good. Anyway, we gotta go. Maxwell's drinking. He's not gonna have any more Trueloves because he's drinking Mountain Dew. Well, you told me. I don't know.
I said that particular thing. You go out and it's like, oh, it's killing sperm.
It kills sperm. I didn't know that. So don't drink Mountain Dew, or drink Mountain Dew if you don't want to have kids. I don't know. Is that an urban legend there, or is it a myth? Let's ask Mythbusters. Mythbusters.
You said Mythbusters.
Mythbusters.
You pronounced it right.
All right. Okay. We will see you
I
later.
think eventually you're gonna like put a caption of my head like still drinking his Mountain Dew.
Still drinking his Mountain Dew, not having more babies. Okay. We will see you later. Our next step is the craft show on Saturday. We'll tell you how that goes.
If
he goes, he's gonna help me. Hi, Ian.
Hello, Ian.
This is my husband, Ian, and it's a little bit late at night, but we've come in, and Ian has made up some boxes. We're going to try to start disassembling my sewing room. So I'm going to do my large wall of fabric the last. You've seen that wall of fabric. I'm going to be doing that the last. I want to start with these bits here, I think. So we got these medium-sized boxes, so from Walmart. So how?
I wonder if I should stand them up.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Do they
stand them up?
Is it?
Yep. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Is the box? How is the box?
Oh, the box is a box. What do we do? That was pretty good.
Is it going to be too heavy? These are going to be heavy old boxes again. Does it fit?
Well,
that's what I meant. Does that fit? I don't think it fits.
It fits.
You're gonna make it fit.
They fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Look.
Okay. How many boxes do you reckon we'll need?
27.
27.
25. 25.
Well, that's one.
Yep.
You tired, Ian?
Exhausted already.
You've worked all day.
Look at that. It's a perfect.
Okay, see how heavy it is, though.
Wait a minute.
No, seriously. I mean, with that going that way. See how heavy that is.
It's okay.
Is it?
Yep.
And that's it?
It's done my back in, just lifting it that bit.
No, it hasn't.
I'm going to the chiropractor.
Are you going?
Yeah. Or is it yoga?
So I'm undoing my sewing room, and here's some empty shelves we have here. We've just started here, and I have some yeah, just some bits up here. Oh, here's some bags I've made little tote bags I've made for my craft show. I actually have these, and I've done them in larger size and smaller size, little sort of mommy and me tote bags. And I have a nice bit of help. Maxwell's actually, we're gonna remember if I said we're going to be doing that wall fabrics last, but Maxwell is helping me put my fabric. Stop playing with your udders. Maxwell is helping me put my fabric in my boxes here. We're putting things away, and thank you, Maxwell. Good. All right, folks. Maxwell, you're such a good sport. Yeah, if it's not one thing, it's the other.